How do you train the worker of the future? With the increase in productivity and automation of routine procedures, there is about to be a significant shift in labor needs. The future of your workforce will be defined by how you handle three crucial procedures: training, upskilling, and reskilling. Proper training makes sure team members grasp new information efficiently. Upskilling and reskilling help your staff evolve in their current roles or take on new responsibilities. After automation, the predictable and repetitive nature of workers' tasks gravitates more towards creative soft skills and technological literacy. Digital assistance tools can help ease the transition. For example, AR video calls allow field technicians to reach out to an expert and receive step-by-step instructions drawn right into their view in real time. This leads to a more engaged workforce that carries out tasks autonomously and learns from each other when running into a problem. On-the-job learning is also important, be it through standardized step-by-step instructions, animations, or videos. Your workers won't get overwhelmed by years of knowledge packed into just a few short hours of training. Workers can go through the whole process independently and at their own pace, anywhere they go. And besides setting up a culture of continuous upskilling, non-traditional learning is also proven to encourage knowledge retention. Industry 4.0 is about eliminating unnecessary costs and repetitive tasks. However, it is just as crucial in creating an environment that can bring value to the new generation of employees seeking purpose in their work.